San Jose de Liarana.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our computer-aided drawing lesson. I am Marcia Sefi Kojin from the TLE department. Today we are going to continue our lesson in creating basic geometric drawing in Autocad window. Are you ready? Let's get started! Let's review what you have learned in the previous lesson in manipulating the CAD features. What is the command of illustrating line in the Autocad? Yes, the answer is L. We have said that the line is the most basic and common object in Autocad drawings. To draw a line, click the Line tool. What is the command of illustrating arc in the Autocad? Nice work! You are correct. A is the command for arc. Remember that the arc or A command is used to draw an arc as part of a circle using the following properties: center, start, and radius, angle, and length. Now, let's try other commands. The donut command. The donut or D command is used to draw a filled or hollow donut with the following properties: center, inside diameter, outer diameter. Take note, if the value of the inside diameter is 0, then it is filled. If the specified value of the inside diameter is greater than the outside diameter, the values will interchange for both dimensions. These are the steps. First, type donut or DO at the command window and press enter. Specify inside diameter of donut by typing a numerical value for the inside diameter. Specify outside diameter by typing a numerical value for the outside diameter. Specify center of donut and press enter. The ellipse command. The ellipse or EL command creates an ellipse using the following geometric properties: center, minor radius, major radius, quadrants, major axis, minor axis, and the rotational angle. Remember that when creating an ellipse, the first 2 points determine the location and length of the first axis. The third point determines the distance between the center of the ellipse and the end point of the second axis. The step-by-step process. Type ellipse or EL at the command window and press enter. Specify axis endpoint of ellipse by clicking at any point in the drawing area or use absolute coordinates to specify a point in the drawing area. Specify distance to other axis by typing a value or click a point in the drawing area to specify the distance to the other axis, then press enter. The point command. The point command is used to draw a point using a defined point style or the DDP type. Points can act as nodes to which a user can snap objects to. A full 3-dimensional location can be specified for a point. The current elevation is assumed if the z-coordinate value is omitted. Type DDP type on the command window to activate the point style manager, from where users can select point style and set size. Steps. Type point at the command window and press enter. Specify a point. Current point modes. Specify location of point. Multi-line command. The multi-line or the ML command is used to draw a single line or series of lines or pairs of lines from one point to another as a single entity. Steps. Type mline or ML at the command window and press enter. Specify start point or click at any point or use absolute coordinates to specify a point in the drawing area. After specifying the first point, specify next point. Specify the next point or press enter. Note, justification, scale, style can be set before the first point is specified. Polygon command. The polygon or pol command is used to create an equilateral closed polyline. Properties. Center, radius, area, elevation, global width. Steps. Type polygon or pol at the command window and press enter. Enter the number of sides. Specify center point of polygon or click at any point or use absolute coordinates to specify a point on the drawing. Enter an option between inscribe and circle and circumscribe about circle. Specify radius of a circle and press enter. Now, let's try the basic modify commands. The modify commands are used to edit objects in the drawing area. The basic editing commands are the following. Erase or delete command. The erase or E or delete command is used to remove one or more drawing entities. Steps. Type erase or E in the command window and press enter. Select objects or press Ctrl A to select all objects. Press enter to complete the object selection. You can also use your mouse and keyboard delete button to select or click object and press delete button. Copy command. The copy or CP command is used to duplicate one or more drawing entities at another location within the drawing without erasing the original entity. Steps. Type copy or CP in the command window and then press enter. Select object and then press enter to complete the object selection. For multiple copies, type M at the command window and press enter. Use object snap to select the midpoint of the outer line. For the second point or displacement, repeat the preceding step 3 or more times to create a copy of the circle to the midpoints of the other outer lines as well and at the 4 corners of the rectangle. Move command. The move or M makes it possible to relocate an entity from its original position to another point in the drawing area. Steps. Type move or M at the command window and press enter. Select object and press enter to complete the object selection. For the base point, use object snap to select the midpoint of the outer line. second point or displacement. Repeat the preceding step 3 or more times to move the circle to the midpoints of other outer lines as well. Break command. Use the break or BR command to remove part of an object by indicating 2 breakpoints. AutoCAD will erase the portion between the first and the second points. If the second point is not on the object, AutoCAD will select the nearest point on the object. To split an object into two without erasing any portion of it, enter the same point for the first and second points. This can be done by entering the @ sign to specify the second point. AutoCAD converts a circle to an arc by removing a piece of the circle, starting counterclockwise from the first to the second point. Steps. Type break or BR at the command window and press enter. Select the object to break. Enter second point or F for the first point and press enter. Enter second point. Use the object snap or the O snap to select the other intersection point of the line and circle. Explode command. The explode or X command breaks a compound object into its component objects. A compound object actually comprises more than one AutoCAD object. For example, a block is a compound object. The command can be applied to 3D mesh, 3D solids, blocks, bodies, dimensions, multi-lines, polyphase mesh, polygon mesh, polyline, and regions. The results would differ depending on type of compound object to explode. Steps. Type explode or X in the command window and press enter. Select objects by picking a drawing entity and press enter. Offset command. The offset or O command is used to duplicate one or more drawing entities at a specified measure of displacement without erasing the original. Steps. Type offset or O in the command window and press enter. Specify offset distance. Select object to offset. Specify point on side to offset or click outside the object. Extend command. This command extends an object to meet another object. Objects that can be extended include arcs, lines, elliptical arcs, open 2D and 3D polylines, as well as rays. Select the object that defines the boundary edges to which another object is to extend to, or press enter to select all objects as potential boundaries. Steps. Type extend or EX at the command window and press enter. Select boundary edges. Select object and press enter to complete the object selection. Select object to extend by clicking the edges to extend them from the existing design. Once all wanted edges have been extended, press enter to exit at the command. Hands-on time! Pondering on what you discovered, try to draw the bike as shown in the figure using the basic geometric drawing commands. Now we are almost done with our lesson. Now let's review the AutoCAD command that you've learned today. The first one, the donut command. The donut or D command is used to draw a filled or hollow donut. Second, the ellipse or EL command creates an ellipse. Third, the point command is used to draw a point using a defined point style or the DDP type. The multi-line ML command is used to draw a single line or series of lines. The polygon or pol command is used to create an equilateral closed polyline. The basic modify commands. Erase or delete command. The erase or delete command is used to remove one or more drawing entities. The copy or CP command is used to duplicate one or more drawing entities. The move or M makes it possible to relocate an entity from its original position to another point in the drawing area. Break or the BR command. Break or BR command to remove part of an object. The explode or X command breaks a compound object into its component objects. The offset or O command is used to duplicate one or more drawing entities. Extend or EX command that extends an object to meet another object. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me in our lesson. Please don't forget to practice the commands that you learned today. Keep learning, everyone!